Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahnur Siddiqui and I am an MBA student. Today I am going to talk about the India's biggest startup company and which has valued more than $1 billion and is the only competitor of WhatsApp in India. Today I am going to talk about the company Hike. So not many people have talked about this company. So today I have decided to talk about this company. So today I am going to tell about the two main reasons why the Hike has failed to perform in the market. I will start with the first point why Hike has failed to perform in market. So I will start with the first point. The main reason why the Hike is failed in India is their segmentation and positioning of the product. Like we all make our product or services for a particular audience. We have to segment our audience for our product or the services. We cannot provide anything to anyone. So in case of Hike, they are not clear about the product, whether the Hike is a social media platform, whether the Hike is a payment site, whether the Hike is only used for the chatting thing. So they are neither a chatting platform nor a social media platform. So the positioning of Hike was not clear to the audience, like what type of product Hike is. And on the other hand, the segmentation part, like to whom they are catering their services. The people was thinking Hike is neither a social media nor a chatting site. So we have to clear about our product or a company, like what is our positioning and how we are solving a problem to the customer. We cannot change every year our business model, our everything cannot be changed. If we can see every 2 or 1 year, Hike completely changed their app, their user interface has completely evolved. So they don't stick to a particular point, they always change their app, their user interface. So the people is not was not very comfortable with the Hike. So this was the first reason why Hike has failed in India. I will start with the second point why Hike has failed in India. The second point was there were no proper monetization policy for the company because we all know that we do our business to earn money. It's been more than 5 years Hike has launched in India, but still there were no certain monetization policy for the company. On the other hand, the costs were continuously increasing, the hiring was continuously going on, and there were a lot of investment in R&D because the app is continuously changing. There were more features adding in the app, like payment system, sometime like sticker system. So the cost was incurring so much. Investment was there. I know that in the initial stage, some of the biggest investment company has invested in the Hike, but there were no proper monetization system. Up to how much time the company can bear a loss or work only on the cost. So the company has not think about the proper monetization system. It should be there because maybe the company is growing, their value is growing, it is growing in the market, but still the company is not earning a revenue from their services or the app. And some expert also suggest that if you are a social media company, if you are in a social media company, you have to be in a top 3 or top 4 to sustain in a market. Otherwise you will fail in a market. You cannot be in a top 10, top 20 to perform in the market or to be in a market. If you are a social media company, you have to be in a top 3 or top 4 to survive in a market. Thank you very much. So this was the point. I think that Hike has failed in India. Because of this, Hike has not performed in the market. So do you think you have any point or thing you can suggest why Hike has failed in India? So please write in a comment and please follow my channel to get more information about the business news, case study and investment. Thank you very much.